if you have a 3D printer, you can help make face shields for medical professionals. If you'd like to know more, take a look at the links in the description.
Hi there.
This video is part of a build log series. I'm building motorized shoes that you'll wear while you play a virtual reality game that keep you in the same spot as you walk, like a treadmill, allowing you to walk infinitely in the game. For now, I call them VR shoes, or Omni shoes. This will be a short update. In the past video, I showed you the successes of my design and went over the problems it still has and some of my ideas for solutions. That was 2 weeks ago, and since then I've been brainstorming and designing and rethinking every aspect of the design so that I can make it simpler and more functional. I've thought about all the lessons I've learned from all my other designs. I've spoken about these lessons at one point or another in this series. If you'd like more details, leave a comment and I'd be happy to explain. One of the things I've been reconsidering are omni-wheels. They didn't work the last time I tried them out, and I'll leave a link to an article in the description of this video where I go over the issues I had. But if I could get omni-wheels to work, the design could be much simpler than with omni-spheres. After some research, brainstorming, and discussion on the Discord, I think I have a design that'll work. I'm going to try it, and if it doesn't work, I can always go back to omni-spheres. After modeling out several different ideas for designs that are both simple and solve the issues I run into, I've created this new design for the next version of the VR shoe. It's simpler, slimmer, doesn't use chain or belts, and distributes the user's load in a way that should work. I've started printing the parts for the new design. I'll share the build process and testing with you guys as soon as I can.
By the way, if you like this video, leave a like, and if you want to see more, subscribe, and leave a comment on how I can do better.
One last thing, I put together 2 bill of materials forms, or BOMs, that you can find on the GitHub page for this project. The first BOM, which I'm showing here, uses cheaper components and eliminates some components that I might not end up using, and it comes around to a cost of about $500, as you can see here. And this is the second BOM that I've made. It comes out to about $1,200, and it's so much more money because I'm using overpowered and expensive components in this BOM. And it makes it easier for prototyping to use these overpowered components because I don't have to worry about them not being powerful enough or breaking under the strain that I'm putting them under. And some of these components I've just already had, but I've listed out here anyway, so it's just cheaper for me to use what I already had. And some of them are more convenient, like the Arduino Uno Wi-Fi Rev 2. It's an Arduino, and it has Wi-Fi built in and an accelerometer built in. It's just a little bit more convenient. And then some of these components I'm also choosing to not buy from China, even though I could buy them from China for way cheaper. But after I get a working version of the shoe, I'll start swapping these components out for their cheaper alternatives, and hopefully be able to drive the cost down to $500 or less.
That's the end of this video. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Tell me what I can do better. See you guys next time.